everyone! Welcome to our Play-Doh ice cream shop! Wow, look at that! We have so many ice cream cones and some mighty pups from Paw Patrol! Will you help me count how many ice cream cones we have? Great! Let's count together! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 ice cream cones and they're all different colors. Now it's time for Play-Doh fun! Whoa, where did our rescue pups go? Oh no, and our ice cream is melting! We have to work fast! Let's get started! Here's our first rescue pup! Do you know who this is? It's Marshall! What color should we use for Marshall? Yellow? Orange? Red? Blue? Green? Or pink? I agree, we should go with red. Let's take a look. This ice cream cone has a red ice cream. That's the color red. Here's our roller. Let's roll this Play-Doh out. Look, it's Marshall. He's all in red. He's fired up. All right, we have our next rescue pup. Do you know his name? It's Chase. Which color should we use for Chase? Yellow, orange, blue, green, or pink? Yeah, we should use blue. Blue for Chase. This ice cream cone has blue ice cream. This is the color blue. All right, let's roll out the Play-Doh. Woohoo! We got Chase all in blue. Chase is on the case. Here's another awesome rescue pup. Do you know his name? It's Rubble. Rubble on the double. Which color should we use for him? Yellow, orange, green, or pink? Yeah, I think we should go with yellow. Let's see. This ice cream cone has a yellow ice cream in it. Wow, this is yellow. Now it's time to roll the Play-Doh. Rubble looks amazing in yellow. Look at Rubble. He's ready to go. Let's dig it. Wow, we have another rescue pup. Do you know her name? This is Skye. This pup's gotta fly. Okay, what color should we use for her? Orange, green, or pink? Yeah, it should be pink. Look at this ice cream cone. The ice cream is pink. That is the color pink. All right, let's roll this dough. Oh, look at Skye. She's all pink. That looks so good. Who will be next? Ooh, look at this one. Do you know his name? Yes, this is Zuma. Zuma is all about the water. Should we use orange or green? Yeah, I think we should go with orange. That's his color. This ice cream cone has orange ice cream. That's the color orange. Let's roll it. Oh, Zuma looks so good, all in orange. Okay, this is our last rescue pup. Do you know his name? It's Rocky. And we only have one more color left, so let's use this one. This is green. This ice cream cone has the color green in it. Let's roll it with the green roller. Oh wow, Rocky looks so amazing in green. Green means go! We've got yellow, orange, red, blue, green, and pink. Wow, we did it! We got all the pups in the right color! If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel